once I pick up, since the heat been blowing, I'm open like a cut. Yeah. The focus and elevate your data like you own a lotus. I'm known to smoke shit like hickory.
compensation, making hits.
Why you practice? Cause you can't practice with the black mist.
Proceed with caution, I'm tossing rappers who lost in my rhyme scheme. Any time seems to be elapsed. Perhaps the essence of exquisiteness was limitless. Rappers are slain, cemented bloodstains remain. Refrain from stepping cause my weapon can inflict verbally. You never heard of me, but I can burn MCs like third degree. Sent it to emergency because I murdered me. MC of the average, my rap style can ravage. I damage rappers like I'm J. and they prove so peep it. I'm fatter than your Land Cruiser, the man cruiser, superior. Cause can't no other lyrics stop these. The vocals is the butter, but lay the beat for hot keys. And I delete foes with sweet flows. My state of mind rated 9. I die when I create a rhyme. Syllable strangle, and rules are make cruise versus cause catastrophe on every stage I go through. I told you, it's cataclysmic, that of a rhythmic style inflicted. I'm starting competition with this composition. Stop looking, listen, I'm pissing on you whack crews. And if you try to step to the squad X, you will be the dopest. Compensation, making hits, I do it fluid. When liquid spits, I twist fiber optics. Dopest, compensation, making hits. We be the dopest. Compensation, making hits, I do it fluid. When liquid spits, I twist fiber optics. Dopest, compensation, making hits. Niggas don't understand. You can't see through what you can't see. It's like silent, so.
Real gunslingers. Check it out, yo. You're real when your hands in the motherfucking air. Blunts. Yo, hey yo, hey yo, yo. You want lyrics, we'll let the real niggas run it. Whack crews get confronted by the shorty that's blunted. Never fronted. You ain't built, I'm from the thorough school. You couldn't fuck around if you had pussy in the whirlpool. I'm swift with this. I burn crews like hoes with syphilis. I slam like doors in the face of Jehovah's Witnesses. Pack the chrome styles fly like Mrs. Jones. Lyrical mathematics will have the devil smoking stones. I put heads to bed, lick shots and rappers fled. Went to church a few times, now none's trying to give me head. Came back the ill shorty from the Ville, you best to tell him. Lyrics busting your brain style, sexing your cerebellum. Some nigga named Kim from the firm, I probably have to splat him. Talking trash about Mac and don't know me from Adam. You ain't real nigga, so stop yelling hip hop. Loaded up my Glock, bumping bitches in the shop. The squad is annexed, the cruddy kid is who I be. Twisting up some Cincy that I got from L&P. You niggas best to wake the fuck up, you in the wrong direction. Guard your crew, you couldn't nick it in my fucking session. That's how it's going down. Check it out, yo. Yo, hey, yo. One for the ones that I smoke, two for all the liquor I drink. Making your bitch cool, stop it from the thing. The cruddiest, I got more reasons to feel a belly. The sticky squad, cause my crew is puffin' trees daily. You best to bust before the shorty gets to clapping. You niggas acting, so eat a dick with your bullshit rapping. Taking on your whole crew, however you come. I stand strong, don't give a fuck wherever you're from. I walk the streets anytime the cash got me craving. Collect my dough, feeling hot soon as the herbs blazing. Hot metal, I squeeze when I get heated. If my lyrics was drums, you punk pussy still couldn't beat it. Check for concrete tape styles that I be freaking. Lyrics be eating, got your melon leaking, but they speaking. Check it out, niggas. My niggas on the app. Hit that on the bill, check it out. I bring the ruggedness, the realness. K-Mac will leave the mic scorching. Verbal skills, my raw style is worth a fucking fortune. Rolling thick with my clicks, I'm never heard of me. The click is annexed. Whack crews head for surgery. I clean my eyes, bloodshot red. When I be chilling, got the gift of manifesting. Your ears, lyrics be spilling, ill snap. I catch rap, tag my name on the wall of stages. Rhythm relax, catholic with elements and phrases. Niggas extinct, kid, my style's labeled blood sport. Big up to my niggas locked down, holding the love fort. I'm on the mission, bringing drama to competition. competition. Taking flight, styles tight, lyrics be shitting when I'm done. It's hit the streets, back to herbs, selling with rhymes. I'm propelling, leaving swelling from your melon. Packing guns, serving fiends to get funds. Up in the mill, shit is thick, my click travel in tons. Whack crews, I eliminate, my style's mad ill. Spoke of Ellen Paul Lake and I remain tranquil in the field. Watching nugget where it's born, I got a full clip. Your squad is bullshit, you bitches better forfeit. It's 95, don't be surprised when we arrive. Lyrics I kick your shit in more bricks than high rise. Mass appeal, my style's too dangerous for a herb to fit. I'm sending rappers on a journey that is permanent, so tell me you can feel this. Cap when I peel this, back to the lab, cause you ain't ready for the real.
Showcases got me tripping like untied laces, man. I got to go places, I got to make the events occur. This ain't spur of the moment, for years we've been up on it. I'm an MC, I'm a DJ, exhibiting our talent, now we need pay. Record companies, labels, but we need our papers and rent. Don't get paid easy. I'm a DJ, I'm an MC. Catch the bus to our shows, pockets empty. Man, tired of the James taking us from our pimps. Don't wanna be the hoes, I want the pimps be.
reminiscing and gripping the hearts of my niggas as they listen to ill visions in times of my trite disposition. Producing a resolution of togetherness and whatever doing. Living the struggle, hard liquor forever guzzle. Drugs, Colombian smuggle, running for us to hustle. Pouring out beer for the fatal whenever able. Bad boys like Puff, label turning the table. Held down the fort, supported to get cash fronts. Hands used for hustling, steadily past months. But we knew that we was in the wrong. But moms lived in the fort and Jordan, so we will hustle to the break of dawn. Horrible memories of burner busting enemies. Scarface wanna be doing 10-year penalties. Vocabulary learners. Pain was filling the hearts of us Jersey-bred villains, cause blood was spilling. None of us wanted to fall into a deeper hole. Lives getting stole cause we played criminal roles. Thought mad ground together, attitude be it whatever. Up north weather, wearing hoodies, Timbs and leathers. Never attended church. Us, we fucked out. Some said we be nothing, eternally burning hell. Oh well, it didn't matter. We still hung tight. Did plenty of dirty nights, saw Jake and took flight. Cause lockdown is nothing but a cot in the jail cell. School couldn't excel. Moms never paid bail. More deep. Whole damn squad loved each other. No relation whatever, but perpetrated as brothers. No question. Brotherly love is what we manifesting. Making sure each and every guard study their lessons. So for all of my niggas, I give respect. And leave sex wet by licking shots, cause I love them to death. I love my niggas, yo. I love my niggas to death. I love my niggas. I love my niggas to the very last breath. I love my niggas, yo. I love my niggas to death. Real niggas representing no
Now as I stand amongst the cipher and watch the Buddha smoke rise, I pour 40s for St. Nas to keep the memories alive for my niggas that all had the same thoughts of fame, but life's strange left us all embraced by the street gangs. On the corners looking for dead presidents and better hoodie sweaters, fatigue suits, Timbs with suede leather, selling dimes of weed, smoke, collecting Chinos. Blessed brothers with Buddha, then we step before the peace school. Cause on the corner, older niggas used to warn us out crackheads that once hated feds, now turn informers. 5-0, we jetting after niggas for a bag of zest. Undercover dressed and guests trying to make a rest. Stress be having niggas running from probation, joining the 5% nation, missing months of education. We skip school, puff lie was the deli model. Fuck college with street knowledge, brought in the deli dollars. Living like Drake, holding the automatic trigger. Drinking off nigga that was slowly killing younger niggas. So I switched to Valentine, kept on writing rhymes. My crew encouraged me to keep it real and bigger mine. Now I search and find, living life throughout my lessons. Giving blessings to blunt sessions that keep the brain refreshing. Manifesting and addressing questions of how we live in adolescence. No more guessing, I live in early presence. But still I maintain, cause it's a long path to follow. Fucking role model, cause my doesn't the fully bottle. Some hits for hollow bullets trying to get paid. No more no games and selling the master trades. So as long as I live, I'm picking up my feet. Whether 6 feet deep, resting in eternal sleep. I keep it real with every word of my breath. To get shots for my niggas, cause I love them to death. I love my niggas, yo. I love my niggas to death. I love my niggas to the
till your dollars start controlling you.
I say lines that make you never wanna rap again. Change your line of work and reconsider selling crack.